What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Datalake token. Now, Datalake just got listed on CoinMarketCap, brand new listing. Ticker symbol is Lake. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, Datalake. So data-lake.co is their official webpage. You can find that listed on CoinMarketCap, along with their price chart, contract address. There's a full white paper on here. They have a Telegram, Twitter, Medium articles, 2 different telegrams it looks like, and their Etherscan is also available on here as well. According to their Etherscan, they have 445 holders so far, 18 decimal places, 2,160 transfers, and a max total supply of 7.5 billion tokens. They also have a contact email and a LinkedIn available on their Etherscan. Now, this is an Ethereum token, so basically if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. You'd go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and you would trade your Ethereum for the Datalake token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap. You can find it on their Etherscan, their webpage, white paper. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you may have to set your slippage somewhere around, actually we'll go over the tokenomics here and see if there is taxes. And then we'll be able to see if you have to set slippage or not. And just be aware also that there is going to be network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. Now, price of this token today is sitting at about 1/4 penny. It's actually up 8.91% today, doing pretty well since its initial listing here on CoinMarketCap. So it says the Datalake system can be broadly divided into 3 parts: the consent app, the data processing system, and the Lake app. The 3 components of the system allow for legal access, processing, and serving of the data from data providers to data buyers with data donors' consent, while fairly distributing the incentives among the ecosystem participants. So first is the consent app, the key to unlocking the data. The consent app is used for storing and managing data donors' consents for their use of their anonymous data for scientific research. The consents are given by the data donors electronically after verification of their identity, which is a KYC. Datalake has to verify the identity of each data donor to be sure that data consent is given by his or her own name. On the basis of the data donor's consent, Datalake is authorized to access the donor's medical data stored by various entities, which are legally obliged to share it. In the consent app, the donors will be able to give and revoke consent to their data being used, track the operations of their data, such as data collection and anonymity events, access to the benefits panel with incentives for data donors, withdraw Lake tokens accrued thanks to their participation in the system, and lastly, join and co-create a vibrant global community of medical data donors that together are building the future of medicine. So the second part of this ecosystem here is data processing system, the heart of Datalake. The vast majority of medical data is stored in hospitals, clinics, and laboratories on the basis of data donors' informed and explicit consents Datalake is able to demand that these entities share it in electronic form. Effective data collection would be therefore required integration of data providers' repositories with the data processing system before the data is made available for the data recipients. It also has to undergo an effective process. The data processing system will compare the unique identifiers of the data donors with patients in a healthcare entity, collect the data from the healthcare entity securely, anonymize the data, perform additional operations of the data that may be needed, and lastly, make data available for the data recipient. And then the last part of their ecosystem here, the third part, is the Lake app, interacting with the new data economy. So the Lake token plays a fundamental role in the Datalake system. The reason why we have introduced the Lake token into our ecosystem is to build trust in the system by transparently aligning interests of different stakeholders, give data donors ownership over their data and provide incentives for sharing it, encourage broad community participation in the system, ensure the sourcing of the project's funding is independent from corporate interests, and to help scale the project faster. The Lake application will be used by the Lake token holders to participate in the novel medical data economy. We currently assume that the users will be able to redeem the tokens received from contests or seed and strategic rounds after complying with regulatory requirements like KYC, purchase, swap, and withdraw the Lake tokens, add liquidity and earn rewards, participate in governance mechanisms thanks to the utility of the Lake token, track data purchase transactions and the Lake token price, and take part in community initiatives. So you can read more about all these things like the data donors, data providers, data recipients, secondary market players, trust entities, consent collectors, integrators, all these things on their white paper. It is available on their webpage or on CoinMarketCap. And it is a 28-page white paper. It has lots of info on there. So this is a governance token that you could use for staking, staking in the liquidity pool. There's a benefits panel. So there's token vesting. There is, I'm not sure what the tax is here. Let's see if there's tokenomics available on here. Buy and sell tax, 8%. So you may have to set your slippage somewhere around 8% when getting this token or selling this token on Uniswap. And it looks like it is for project development and the liquidity pool. So that's what the taxes go to. And token, we already went over total amount, 7.5 billion. 5% of that goes to seed A, 4% seed B, 21% strategic round, 3% advisors, 20% team and founders, 20% treasury, 7% data donor incentives, 7% data flow, 5% liquidity pool, and 8% liquidity providers incentives. So that's basically how the token is split up. Now their team is doxed on their webpage as well. Or on their white paper as well. You could check that out there. And yeah, all sorts of information on their white paper and webpage that you can review. Now I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.